Worried about the rising national debt and how it could weaken the dollar? You're not alone. Many savers wonder how to protect what they have worked so hard for. When the government takes on more debt, it often relies on printing money, which can reduce the dollar's purchasing power. That's where gold and silver come in. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that US currency was once backed by gold, the gold standard. But after it was abandoned, the dollar became a fiat currency, meaning it could be printed freely. Over time, this has led to constant inflation and declining dollar strength. Gold and silver, however, can be created out of thin air. They are scarce, tangible, and historically have held or even gained value during times of mounting debt and government overspending. This helps investors understand why precious metals continue to be used as a hedge when debt rises. This guide lays it out clearly. I've added the link for you in the description so you can check it out directly. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. Alongside it, you will also find guides like Digital Dollar Report and Silver Scheme Report, each designed to give you a broader understanding of how metals fit into uncertain financial times. If you would like to see how gold and silver can help safeguard your retirement savings against rising government debt, download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle today. It's completely free and puts all the insights in one place. You will find the download link waiting for you right below this video.